You know, in every automated manufacturing process, there's a common problem. Is how do you pick unusually conformed, oddly shaped parts from a bin or a box or a tote? Now, for simple geometric shapes, of course, it's relatively easy to do that with modern machine vision systems, but what if your component parts are, like they usually are, unusually shaped, unusual form factors, randomly sort of assembled or randomly oriented within a bin? I'm with Ryan Guthrie, he's Executive Vice President of TM Robotics. Ryan, I understand we're standing in front of a solution that basically addresses that problem of how do I get my part out of the bin and in the right place?
Absolutely. So Toshiba Machine has developed their own in-house software for 3D bin picking. And one of the key features of our software is you do not use a CAD file to learn a part. So you're able to take a part, present it to our vision system, multiple orientations, you create a point cloud of that part. That model is then stored in the system, and with that we're able to pick the parts based on that within minutes.
Now, Ryan, historically, systems like this are often demonstrated using simple geometric shapes. So basically, as we have a bin full of cubes, or spheres, or cylinders, something like this. And for some uses that represents things in the real world, but in most cases they don't. In most cases, parts have a very complex sort of shape, and they're not that easy to grip. Now, in a situation like this, the demonstrator behind us is using a vacuum gripper. Is this adaptable to using conventional gripper assemblies, vacuum?
Absolutely. Yeah. So in the demo that we did today, we used the vacuum gripper, but the software has the ability to use, for example, a parallel gripper or a larger style gripper. We can set interfere areas in the image and in the models to say, make sure this part is clear so we can grab the part cleanly. Our system has got sub-millimeter accuracy, so we're able to do those complex parts and get into tight areas if we need to. We can match the orientation and rotation of the part in the bin. Our system also learns the tool and learns the box, so we can actually do collision avoidance, and we do that before we even send coordinates to a part, to the robot.
Ryan, for manufacturers that are doing a very common phenomenon now, or high mix, lower volume, and kitting is a very popular way of moving forward now. We want to take bulk commodities out of a Gaylord perhaps at this point, and we want to orient them a certain way into a tray to then for further processing or further assembly down the line. This solution useful for that?
Absolutely. So we can detect multiple models in a single tote, and we can say, for example, pick only model A out of this tote, and then set it on. Or pick model A, then pick model B, then pick model C. We have the ability to have multiple models in one tote, multiple different tote sizes that are available. So today you're presenting a blue tote that's 8 inches deep. Tomorrow you're presenting a green tote that's 3 inches deep. We can do all of that right in our software and determine from a user interface, an HMI or something like that, model A, model B, box A, box B. We can select and create those recipes online and offline.
You mentioned using a point cloud model of the individual parts to be picked. How's that point cloud model created? Do you do it from a CAD system, or are these products scanned? How do you get to the point cloud?
Yeah, so we actually present the part to the vision system. So in the example we have here, we actually present the model right in the field of view of the camera. In a stationary, obviously, we make sure the part is stationary. We capture an image, rotate the part, capture a second image, pair the two images together. That creates the point cloud that the robot is going to be detecting.
And which industries do you anticipate would be the early adopters of this system?
The early adopters of something like this, we're really looking at, and our target is customers who are looking at getting parts out of bins into small stuff. So we're not talking heavy castings or anything like that at the moment. We're targeting kind of the 5 kilo and under kind of parts, the smaller totes, so small part assembly, electronics, along that nature.
High flexibility part picking for high productivity manufacturing, says Ryan Guthrie from Toshiba Machine.